Hey, I'm going to install the EPT sealer. So what you need to do is first pull out this run channel. So grab it from the back like so right here. And you should be able to grab it and pull it out. Okay, like so. So pull that out. Now you see where this part is. This is where we're going to put the EPT sealer. I've gone and cut it like so. Yeah, I'm putting in between these two parts. Okay, installed. Now I'm going to put another strip going across on top. Now go ahead and put everything back in. If you look right here, this is installed incorrectly right now, because you see how the rubber folds in here and you see that little ledge inside. So this rubber piece has to cover that little piece right there, so you have to pry that out and shove it in.